Inside the glove box of Volvo XC40 you can find this fold-out hook. You can close the glove box, and this hook can be used for groceries. So if you have just one bag, for example, this will make sure that everything will stay in one place. It won't be scattered all around the vehicle. And this hook specifically can hold up to 2 kilograms of weight. It's a very convenient feature, guys, if you have a little bit of groceries with you.